Ever wondered how to get your cool new web app or server securely out to the internet without opening up a ton of security holes? You've got options, but two big contenders often come up: the classic Nginx Reverse Proxy and the modern Cloudflare Tunnel. Both can achieve similar goals, getting your internal services accessible from anywhere, but they go about it in fundamentally different ways. And choosing the right one can make a huge difference in your security, complexity, and even your wallet. Let's dive into the ultimate comparison. Let's start with the familiar, Nginx as a reverse proxy. Imagine your server sitting happily behind your firewall. To let the internet in, you typically have to open specific ports on your router, usually 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS, and forward them directly to your Nginx server. Nginx then acts as the gatekeeper. It receives requests from the internet and intelligently forwards them to the correct internal service, perhaps based on the domain name or URL path. It's powerful, flexible, and has been a cornerstone of web infrastructure for years. Now, let's look at Cloudflare Tunnel. This takes a fundamentally different approach. Instead of opening inbound ports, you install a small piece of software, called Cloudflare, inside your network. This daemon establishes an outbound-only connection to Cloudflare's global edge network. Think of it like this: your internal server initiates a secure tunnel out to Cloudflare. When someone accesses your service, their request goes to Cloudflare, and Cloudflare routes it through that established tunnel directly to your service. Your firewall stays completely closed to inbound connections. This difference in connection initiation leads to massive security implications. With Nginx and port forwarding, you're explicitly opening pathways into your network. While Nginx is robust, any misconfiguration or unpatched vulnerability can expose your entire internal network to direct attacks from the internet. Cloudflare Tunnel, on the other hand, operates on a zero-trust model. Because there are no inbound ports open on your firewall, the attack surface is dramatically reduced. No port scanning, no direct assaults on your home IP. Plus, Cloudflare's massive network already provides DDoS protection, WAF, and bot protection before traffic even hits your tunnel. When it comes to setup and complexity, there's also a clear distinction. Nginx requires you to configure port forwarding, ensure your firewall rules are correct, and then manage Nginx configuration files, including SSL certificate generation and renewal, often with something like Let's Encrypt. Cloudflare Tunnel simplifies much of this. You install Cloudflare, authenticate it to your Cloudflare account, define which local services map to which domains, and Cloudflare handles the rest. No port forwarding, no fiddling with router settings, and SSL certificates are completely automatic. Performance and additional features are another area where Cloudflare Tunnel often shines. Because traffic hits Cloudflare's global edge network first, users often connect to a server geographically closer to them, reducing latency. Cloudflare's CDN, caching, and optimization features are inherently part of the package, speeding up your content delivery without extra configuration. While Nginx provides excellent performance for what it does, you're responsible for adding all those extra services yourself. Cloudflare Tunnel also integrates seamlessly with Cloudflare Zero Trust, allowing you to easily add authentication and granular access controls to your internal services, even for private applications, without needing a full VPN. So, when do you choose which? Nginx is still a fantastic choice if you need absolute granular control over every aspect of your proxying, prefer an entirely self-hosted solution, or have existing complex infrastructure built around it. It's the customizable, powerful workhorse. Cloudflare Tunnel is ideal for Homelabers, developers, and small to medium businesses who prioritize ease of use, strong out-of-the-box security, and leveraging a global network. If you want to expose services quickly and securely without touching router configurations, Tunnel is a winner. One last point: pricing. Nginx open source is free, but you pay in your time and server resources. Cloudflare Tunnel has a generous free tier that's perfect for most personal and small projects, with paid plans offering advanced features. Ultimately, both are powerful tools. Your choice comes down to your priorities. Do you value maximum control, or do you prefer integrated security, simplicity, and leveraging a global network edge? I hope this breakdown helps you decide. Have you used either of these? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.